How to freeze the snap streak on your Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pause your snap streak on Snapchat. So head into your Google Play Store. On the top search bar, simply search for Snapchat and make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version, because if not so, then you might miss out the new features of Snapchat. And freezing snap score is also the new feature. So you should make sure that you have updated your Snapchat. If you have already updated it, then you can simply open your Snapchat like you normally do and go on the chat section from the down right side. Now, to pause the snap streak, what you should do is you must be the Plus subscriber of Snapchat, and you need to pay for that because this feature for Snapchat is not available for free. So after you do that, when you long press on your friend, then you will see the option of freeze snap score, and you can simply freeze your snap score like that by being a Plus subscriber of Snapchat. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.